Welcome members, today we are going to see how do we get a modulus of a complex number z, but please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Now, if we have a complex number z equaling 2x plus iy, we say it has the real part, then it has the imaginary part. The real part is the one without I, then the imaginary part is the one with I, as you can see there. So, its modulus is denoted by z to bars, like this is how we note the modulus of a complex number. How do we get that modulus? All we do is the modulus of that complex number is the square root of the square of the real part, then plus the square of the imaginary part, as you see here. So then we are going to see properties of modulus, which we have z1 and modulus of z1, z2. It's the same as getting the separate modulus of the first, that is the modulus of the second. We have z1 over z2, the whole modulus, the same as modulus of the first over modulus of the second. We have modulus of a number power n, the same as modulus of this number, then we power it, that n, where z1, z2 are complex numbers. So how do we handle that? We are going to see examples that if z1 is that, z2 is that, and z3 is that, find their modulus. A, z1, z2, z3. So, the solution here, I'm going to start with modulus of z1. First of all, start my z1 is given by 4 minus 3i. To get the modulus of this, I get modulus of square root of, you square the real part, then plus with its sign, you square the imaginary part. So the imaginary is the one with I, so it's negative 3. This will be, this square will be 16, then plus 9, which will be 25, and this will give you 5 units. When I come now to Z2, I'll be having now, so my Z2 is here. So the square root of now the real, then plus the imaginary, so the imaginary is root 3, the one with I, so it's root 3. We leave the I, we just take the number there, which will be square root of 1 plus 3, which will give you, this is 4, square root of 4, those are 2 units. Then when you come to Z3, so minus z3, modulus bar, so minus z3 is here, so it will be square root of the real square, then plus the imaginary, so the imaginary here is now going to be negative 1, because it's the coefficient of I, which will be square root of 4. When the square this, you get 4, and square this, you get 1, which will be root 5 units. Now, these are how we get a modulus of Z1, Z2, Z3. Now, in part B, this was part A, they are asking me to get B, they are asking me to get Z2. So here, I just apply properties of modulus. If I have Z1, Z2 is the same as get the modulus of this times modulus of that. So that one helps us. You don't need now to multiply this and this, that one you are wasting time. So you just apply the property Z2. Now, you know the modulus of Z1. Now you get the modulus of Z1. When you get the modulus of Z1, here you got a 5. Then times modulus of Z2, the modulus of this, when you get 2. And this will give you 10 units with ease. You don't need to go through multiplying, because this is going to multiply, that one is wasted your time. Then modulus of 1 times modulus of the other. Then part C, they are telling us that Z1 or Z3. Still here we apply. Some people will go on to rationalize that one, you're wasting time. You use properties of modulus, and this one is going to be now. You separate those modulus, the two of them. Now, Z1, start modulus of Z1 was 5 from here. It was 5, the whole over modulus of Z3. Our Z3 is here as root 5. You can simplify this by saying multiply this up and this and down, root 5 over root 5 times root 5, which will give you 5 root 5 over 5, and this will give you root 5 as the answer still. When you come now to part D, our part D is telling us now Z cubed but squared. Here we still apply, you don't need to expand. Get Z cubed, where is your Z cubed? My Z cubed is here. All you do now, you apply this over that. Now you get the modulus of that Z, then you put the power out. So this one is going to be now Z3, now on the wall, squared, which will be, now you saw that Z3 bar was a 5, and then root 5. Then we are squaring it, which will give us 5 units. When I come to E, where they are asking me to get Z2 power 4, this is the same as Z2, the whole now power 4, which will be modulus of Z2. Modulus of Z2 was 2 units, so I have now 2, then power 4, which will give me 16 units. Then when I come to part F, where I have Z1 cubed, it's the same as modulus Z1, then the whole cubed. But my Z1 from here was 5. So 5 now, the whole cubed, and this will give you 125. So this will give you 125 units, and that's all. So remember, that's how we use modulus, and that's how we get modulus of a complex number. I wish you the best. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Learn how to apply the properties.